Everybody, let's take a look at how to import your homepage from your previous course into your new semester course. So we're going to go to your settings. Then over on the right side, import course content. From there in the drop-down, we're going to copy a Canvas course, and then we're going to select a course. So I'm going to look for a course that has S1 or an F. So I see here English 11F. That's the course that we are currently in, so we're looking for a new one here. And we're just going to say select specific content so that we can get just the homepage. If you want to do more than that, you can absolutely do more than that. If you were copying over an assignment, maybe it's something that crosses over between semesters, just make sure that you remove the due dates here so that you can edit it in the future. And then we're going to go ahead and click import, select content. I'm going to go down and find the pages. And then I'm going to look through the pages to see if we can find the home page here, okay? This particular course has several different ones, but here is a page that says home. So we're going to select that and then say select content. And it's going to take a minute here to load. But once it's completed, we can go to our pages. Make sure that the home page is set as the front page here. So we're going to do the three dots and say use as front page. Okay, then we're going to go home. We're going to go over here where it says choose home page. And then we're going to choose the pages front page there. And once that loads, we will have the home page from the previous course there within your course. Okay. And this is one that has a Google Slides, but the homepage is there now, and that is the direction for you if you would like to import your homepage from your previous course. If you have any questions, let me know.